Bro, how frustrated can you be? All I can see is this.
Huh?
That was just a venomous, dangerous sea snake. Nothing to see here.
Wait. Be careful though, we don't go. Ah!
Yo, I love how they both had a similar but opposite reaction. And is no one gonna talk about these dudes over here? Bro, who the hell are you? Ocean Mr. Beast?
Bruh.
Yo, little bro, if you're gonna keep behaving like this, no fish is coming to feed you, dude.